Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we are going to be making chili paneer. If you like spicy food, I'm sure that you will absolutely love this recipe. This dish is a combination of paneer or cottage cheese, veggies, spices, and sauces. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 500 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. You need to cut these into cubes. 1 large bell pepper that is cut into medium-sized cubes. 2 medium tomatoes that are finely chopped. 6 to 7 green chilies that are halved. 1 large onion that is cut into equally large pieces. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, or as per taste. 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. This can also be as per your taste. Half a tablespoon of cornstarch. 7 to 8 garlic cloves that are finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Half a tablespoon of vinegar. And 1/4 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. The pieces of onions should look something like this. We will start off by taking a medium or large bowl and putting in the paneer, the paprika, the red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We will give these a mix until the paneer has been completely coated by all of the spices. The paneer mixture should look like this. Now, in a medium-sized pan that is on medium to high heat, we will add in around 1 teaspoon of oil. Then, we will add in the paneer mixture. We will fry the paneer for around 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns a bit golden brown. Be sure to mix the paneer very carefully because we don't want it to break. Once we have fried the paneer, we will set it aside and start making the sauce. Now, in a large heated butter pan, we will add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure that the oil gets hot before we add in the other ingredients. Once the oil has heated, we will add in the tomatoes, the garlic, and the chili garlic sauce. We will mix this until it gets thicker and we can see the oil separating. After you have added these ingredients, we will add around half a teaspoon of salt. You can also put the lid on so that the ingredients cook faster. We will add just a bit of water so that the consistency of the tomato mixture will improve. After around 1 to 2 minutes, we will add in the cornstarch to give the sauce a thicker consistency. Mix this well and keep on mixing so that there are no lumps. Once the tomato mixture is done, we will add in the green chilies, the bell peppers, and the onions. We will mix these well together until the veggies are coated with the tomato mixture. We will cook these until the veggies are soft, but they shouldn't be mushy. Once the veggies are cooked, we can add in the vinegar, the lemon or lime juice, and the soy sauce. We will mix these until they're well combined. Once the sauce is completely ready, we will add in the paneer that we fried earlier. Mix this together until the paneer is completely coated with the sauce. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. See you in the next video!